This is my PC setup. I've recently been getting really low FPS on just like everything in general on the Mac, so I decided to upgrade to a gamer PC.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
Thanks to my brother and my two friends, we got to get the PC done in, drumroll please, 8 hours, yeah! Now I'll tell you guys know why it took us 8 freaking hours to build the PC. It's finally done. Now I can show you guys the PC. 3, 2, 1. Wow. This is the final PC build. We got the Jonsbo T33. I'm currently editing the video. So yeah, this is the final PC. Really happy at how it looks.
Unconcussing. Get healing. My time. Smoke's up. My ult's ready. Right now.
I'll leave the specs of the PC below down in the description, and if you guys really like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 10K. Thank you guys. See ya.